guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great ingredients that would help you to tighten up all of those loose chin, firm your loose and saggy chin, and equally firm up your face basically. Okay, now this ingredient is going to help your skin look rejuvenated and clear. Okay, so if you're actually having or experiencing age spots, you are in the right video. Okay, so the very first ingredient we're going to be needing is cucumber, and we're going to be using just 3 ingredients in this particular remedy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting this. Now cucumber contains a whole lot of nutrients that helps to nourish out the skin, and it's also helps to maintain and rejuvenate the skin, leaving your skin ageless, and it also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. So with the help of other ingredients that I'm going to be putting in, it's going to help to tighten up your sagging chin basically. Okay, so after putting that in, then I'll have to blend it. I'm going to be blending it dry. I'm not going to be putting any water, okay, because I need just the juice and I don't need any water. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be moving this, and then I'm gonna be getting my strainer, then I'm gonna be straining out the juice. Okay guys, so here I have my cucumber juice. I earlier told you guys that we're going to be using only 3 ingredients. So I equally have here egg. Now we're going to be needing the egg whites. Now egg whites is a great ingredient that helps in tightening up the skin. It helps so much to tighten up your chin, and it also helps to rejuvenate and helps to nourish up your skin. Okay, so using egg whites in your remedy like this is going to help you to reduce any large pores, that's if you're actually experiencing large pores. So we're going to be using just the egg whites. So in here I have the egg whites, and then I'm going to beat it a little bit. Okay, so after that I'm going to be putting about 3 tablespoons of my cucumber juice, and then I'm going to continue beating it. Okay, so here we go. And then the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be coffee. Now do you know that coffee is essential in removing cellulite, and it also helps so much to make your skin look rejuvenated and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. So mixing this coffee with these two other ingredients would actually make a whole lot of difference. Okay, so if you have your coffee grains, you can as well just blend it, okay, into a powder form, and then you put it in here. Okay, so after which you have actually beat this a whole lot, then we're going to go apply it onto the chin, okay, area. Now you can equally apply it onto your jawline and any other places in which you are actually experiencing sagginess or looseness of skin. Okay, so let's go apply. Okay guys, so this is a remedy, and this is how it is for our loose. Now after which you've cleaned it all up like that, you have to go and wash it off with a toilet soap and still the warm water, and it keeps your skin tighter.